Welcome back to the Crypto Hangout Network on YouTube and the Sunday Night Podcast. This is the Daily TA. Today is 11/21 on Monday, 6:23 a.m. And we are taking a look at the charts, the daily technical analysis. Before we get started, if you are listening on YouTube, you can listen to the Sunday Night Hangout Podcast on Spotify or Pandora. You can get the daily technical analysis, interviews, and coins we invest in, our Coin Hunter series, as well as interviews with other reporters and other podcasters as well in the crypto space. And we do have some free videos up on there, but there is a subscription fee of $5.99, actually $4.99, $5 a month. That's $60 a year, and you can get up to date as of the end of this month. We will stop putting up the technical analysis videos up here on YouTube, and we will put them up strictly on Spotify and on Pandora. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get into the network. As you can see, the market got a lot of red in the bubbles today. As you can see, Atoms down 14%, Near 24%, HNT 15%, AVAX 12%, Hex 14%, Mana 16%, ADA 9%, Matic 15%, Sol 18%, and Trust Wallet Coin 19%. And you have a few green. OKB is up 9%. TON 9.9%. Leo 4.2%. XEM up 10.2%. All right, now to get into the charts. So this is the Bitcoin chart. If you watched the video, the technical analysis video of last week, then you know that I told you that this triangle was running out of room and it was either going to break to the upside or break to the downside. As it was not definite, it was an if else command for my computer programmers out there. All right, so what did I tell you? I told you that if Bitcoin breaks up to the upside and breaks past this ceiling right here, then expect more upside. But if it doesn't, touches it and falls back down, then expect more lower side. Now, Bitcoin is down here to this floor here at 15,000 right here. Now, it came down and touched once. It touched twice. It touched 3 times, and I expect for it to come back down and actually break through this right here. And if it does break through this, then you're looking at 14,000 Bitcoin, okay, looking down in here. All right, so you're looking at it to roll over and come in here, chop in here, and then roll back down here towards the 14,000K Bitcoin. All right, that's the 4-hour chart. Let's look at the 1-hour chart, see what the movement is doing. As you can see on the 1-hour chart, you have the 21 come in here, ran up, and you see it broke the triangle, then it came back down and rolled back over. Okay, it touched the 50 and rolled back down. As you can see, the 21 is pulling the price action down. This is 21 SMA, the white line right here. It's pulling the price action down, it's falling down, and it's pulling the price action down with it. RSI is approaching oversold territory. It is in oversold territory. Remember when I told you it reaches under 30, you expect to pump up, but it's right at 34.82 as the RSI. Okay, so you don't have a lot of selling pressure here in the not a lot of selling pressure and not a lot of buying pressure as well. So when the market opens up at 8:30 on Eastern time, then we shall see what the market does, if it decides to roll over even more, or if we decide to get a little bit of pump up here towards the 50. All right, this is the 1-hour chart, and from this right here, what it's showing me is that we are on a downward trend even more. All right, so here back to the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin. You have right here, and as you can see, it's reflecting in the price action. And you had equal amount of selling and buying pressure on the 1-hour chart, and it's reflecting on the 4-hour chart as going sideways. Okay, let's look at the daily. We have the Bitcoin daily right here. As you can see on the Bitcoin daily, it's starting a red candle already, and so we'll see what it does at the end of this end of today, this Monday. Okay, so we have a red candle here on the daily. Let's look at the weekly. All right, this was the weekly right here. You had 3 weeks of red. Okay, we have another week of red. And the monthly, because you see these little pumps, but to put things in perspective, this is the monthly. Bitcoin is red for the month, right? It's red for the whole entire month. So all these little pumps that you see, a little bit of green, you have to overlook those and look at the bigger picture. Zoom out, okay? Zoom out to bigger time frames so you can see what's going on, and zoom out to the smaller time frame so you can see exactly what's going on as well. Sorry about that. That was my alarm. All right, so now let's go ahead and look at the dollar. DXY. As you can see, let's go to the dollar 4-hour chart. As you can see, the 4-hour chart on the dollar, you have, like I told you in the last video, you have a inverted head and shoulders. See the shoulder, head, shoulder, and you get the dollar price actually starting to go up, right? And you can see even more on the 1-hour chart. You see head, shoulders forming a rounded bottom, and it's forming, right? So I expect the dollar to pump some more this week. It should fall back a little bit more because it's in overbought territory right here on the RSI. So I expect it to pull back some today or within the next couple of hours, as this is the hour chart. Look at the 4-hour chart RSI, and it's same thing. So I expect to pull back within sometime today, within the next 8 hours, 8-hour time frame. Okay. Now let's look at the altcoin charts, market cap. As you can see, altcoins bleeding. They are bleeding red, nothing but red. 4-hour chart indicator is red. It is an oversold territory because the money is flowing into Bitcoin. Let's see here. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, it is going green. It's showing a bull flag, right? So I expect more money to flow into Bitcoin. And one of the reasons why money is flowing into Bitcoin is due to the situation of the hacker that is starting to, he's converting coins and dumping them. Okay, all right. So let me find this tweet right here. Where'd he go? Well, make a long story short, what the hacker is doing, he's converting the Ethereum that the FTT that he stole and converted to Ethereum. He's converting that into REN BTC, and he is selling it. Okay, so here it says right here. Okay, that was not it. Well, I thought I had it bookmarked, so I apologize for you guys. Okay, but there is something else that I want to mention too that will bring the market down even more, down to those profits. What I was saying, and this tweet right here, all right, about the DCG, the crypto group and Genesis. So there is a rumor going around that they actually don't have liquidity. Okay, and if they don't, then this is the thing right here. This is the tweet right here I was looking for. It says Grayscale owns 3.3% of Bitcoin market cap. Luna owns only 80,000 Bitcoin, while Grayscale owns 640,000 Bitcoin. If Grayscale is forced to sell their 640,000 Bitcoin, to make investors whole and make the customers whole, the price is expected to drop by 46%, which would send us to $8,900. Right? Remember, I've been telling you guys since last November. All right, since last November for a year, that it was going to fall. Especially since January, I've been telling you guys in videos and in my groups that it was going to fall, and the price targets at the bottom for Bitcoin would be between $7,000 and $15,000, $450 for Ethereum, and you're going to see that, right? Because you already see Bitcoin right here on the charts, right here. It's right here at currently $16,000. Now, 46% from $16,000 is all the way down here. Let's go all the way down here. $8,600. A 46% drop. Look how big that market goes right there. Now, if that does happen, what will the price of Ethereum be? 46% drop, remember? Ethereum will be $603, right? Now it could drop even more, right? Because that hacker is dumping Ethereum, and he's also converting Ethereum to Bitcoin, and he is the second or third largest Ethereum holder since he hacked the exchange. Now the reports that it was either Sam Bankman-Fried or somebody from FTX that is doing that did that, and I have to kind of agree, right? I'm kind of inclined to agree. So now the next thing, Solana sitting at $11, right? Solana was heavily backed by FTX and FTT, and as you can see, it rolled over. The 21 is rolling down as well, and I expect for Solana to fall down towards the single digit range, $6, $8 range. Look at them daily. Have a downward trend, right? A lot of selling pressure. You need another big sell-off, and you're down in the single digits. This is the daily. Let's look at the XRP. Now, XRP sitting at 34 cents. XRP with a 46% fall. You would be in my numbers that I told you, 20 cent XRP. And 46% fall on XRP would be 18 cents. Do you see what I'm saying? So my numbers that I told you guys, and you can go back and check the videos. Go back and check all the videos that are uploaded on YouTube, all the TA videos. All right, go back and check them all, and you'll see that I have been calling for these price targets for months. You will not get anybody with the type of information that I have obtained and I have gotten to inform my listeners and my paid subscribers. Okay, nobody was calling for these price targets when Bitcoin was 40,000, when Bitcoin was 60,000. Nobody was calling for them. Very few was, but we were here on this channel. Okay, and we're showing you why these numbers are going to be hit now. Okay, now you're seeing everybody calling for the same price targets that we called for in January, February, right? We post the text, we post the messages, the group chat messages on our Twitter. We show them in the videos and as well. So subscribe to the channel, share, and hit the bell notification if you're listening on YouTube. If you're listening on one of the podcasting platforms, please rate the show. And leave a comment and let us know what you think about the video. Let us know what you think about the entire crypto market. We love to hear from you as well. So until tomorrow's technical analysis video, this is Crypto Crane signing out. And remember, when there's blood on the streets, is when you buy. Is when you must compete. Right? Buy low, sell high. Right? And there's blood on these crypto streets right now. So I would be DCing. So till tomorrow's technical analysis video, peace.